This lesson is Science for Grade 3. The topic of this lesson is about how shadows are formed. And the objectives are to define what shadow is, discover how shadows are formed. Good morning, class. I have a question. What follows you wherever you go? Class, this is a shadow. We can see the shadow when there is light or sun. But are you aware of how shadows are formed? Our lesson for today is about how shadows are formed. Let us discuss what a shadow is. A shadow is the dark thing you see on the ground, behind, or in front of you. We can also say that a shadow is a comparative darkness given by anything from direct light and heat. So now that we know what a shadow is, let us find out how it is formed. The things needed to produce a shadow are objects and lights. When one of them is missing, no shadow will appear. Look at this picture.
What is the object? The object is the gun. What is the source of light? The source of light is the sun. There are the three important things that you have to remember about how shadows are formed. First, shadows are formed when something blocks the light. Remember that the shadow appears when something blocks the light. So if there is no object to block the light, what will happen? No shadow will appear. Your body is blocking the light coming from the sun. That's why a shadow is formed. The shape of the shadow depends on the shape of the object blocking the light. For example,
Shadows are formed on the opposite side of the object blocking the light. Look again at the picture. What do you notice? Light and the shadow are on the opposite sides of the object, blocking the light. We can observe that the light and the shadow are on the opposite sides of the object, blocking the light. And the third is the length of shadows, depends on the position of the source of the light. Have you ever watched your shadow when you are walking under sun? When do you see your longest shadow? You can see your longest shadow in early morning and late afternoon. How about your shortest shadow? You can see your shortest shadow in the afternoon.